This statistics section, so at the very top of the portal, you will see these tabs. We start on the dashboard report, but if you move over to this statistics tab, this will give you access to variations of different reports or statistical information. Now, there's a lot to choose from. This is just an example of the client types version, but you could look at these statistics for wholesalers, groups, room types, source of business, travel agents, corporates, and you can also view reporting by area, meaning see where your guests are coming from based off of the address information that has been entered into their reservation and room key. So lots of reporting variation there. And again, we've already looked at some of these types of reporting statistics for an individual hotel, but the benefit of InSight BI reporting is that you can look at this information across all properties within your chain of hotels. So in order to use these statistics reports, when you click on the statistics tab, you're not going to see any information. You're only going to see the top header here and the filters on the left-hand side. The next thing that you're going to do is select the year. So instead of having to do a date range, the statistical reporting you can do for one full year. And then off to the right-hand side, you'll click apply. It's going to show you by client type by default because that's the first one that shows up here. But you can use your cursor to scroll over to wholesalers, groups, room types, etc., all across this header here to view those different statistics. This example is just showing client types, and it's going to show the summary revenue, number of bookings, number of nights, and average length of stay summarized by property. But for each property, you can click the plus symbol next to the property, and that will expand to show a breakdown per client type. So that's the example that I have displayed here. Now, this is great to view on screen, but if you would like to generate a report or save this as PDF outside of this basic visualization, off to the right-hand side, you have this little save icon. When you click on the save icon, you can choose to generate this report summary, which will summarize by hotel, or you can choose the detail, which will show these detail client types for each hotel. So it'll show the expanded version. So you got both options whenever you use the save icon to generate this report. Now I could go through and show you all of these variations, wholesalers, groups, room types, etc., but it's all the exact same process. Again, you're going to click the year, select apply, choose the type of statistic you want to look at, and then if you want to view the expanded version, you would just click on that little plus symbol next to the name of the hotel. One further tip that I do have whenever you're looking at these statistics reports in InSight BI is that in the bottom left-hand corner, you do have the option to filter by reservation channel. By default, it's going to show you all channels. So quite a lot of information can be generated about across the multiple properties in your chain using this InSight BI tool.